when the brand reached out to me and asked me if I'd be interested in trying out their coffee maker cleaners. I was like, you have no idea how dirty my coffee maker is. So yes, send them on. So the first thing I did when I got them was just open the tape up. I have not opened it at all yet. But what I do know about this product is that it claims to clean odors and stains and all the nasty, gross coffeeness that happens on our coffee makers every day. If you're like me, you know that I love coffee and I could probably drink coffee all day. It's probably best that I don't. But these coffee maker cleaners come with 24 individually packaged cleaners, which I thought was really cool. I will probably get a little container to keep in the drawer, a little plastic container, keep them right in there as a great reminder right next to my coffee filters. So as I take them out, I can see that they are a heavy duty descaling. So I am excited to give these a try. I think I will go ahead and do it now. I'm going to do some video of how disgusting my coffee maker is. And then I want you to see how beautiful and sparkling clean it is when we are finished. So let's go ahead and get that going and look at the results.
They do suggest that you fill your coffee maker to its fullest capacity with water, and then you will simply just drop your tablet right into the reservoir as you are ready to start a regular or a cleaning cycle, depending on the coffee maker you have. So the instructions mentioned that if your coffee maker is really dirty, you may have to do it twice. So I am indeed going to run mine through one more time because it was filthy. Okay, you can see that second batch much better. It's got the little bit of discoloration, but I think that's the cleaner in the water, but much, much cleaner. I look forward to some fresh tasting coffee tomorrow.